Hi guys, here's a quick video to answer one of the most common questions that I get here every day at PC 911. And actually it's a question related to the most common work that we do, which is removing viruses and spyware, junkware, corrupt browsers, etc. So the most common question is, well, how do I avoid this? How do I stop all this stuff? How do I know what's right, what's wrong? What software can I put? What's the best antivirus? And while I do recommend antivirus and all those things, the true solution, or my best recommendation, is to not use Windows to access the internet. Now, when I say that, most people ask me, what do you say? I said, do not use Windows to access the internet. And quite simply, just to put it in the most simplest terms, 99.9% of all viruses target Windows computers. So if that's a fact, why would anyone go online using Windows when there's other options? Now, that's where the lack of information comes in. How else do I get on the internet? Well, several different options. Back in the day, there was only one way. You used the computer, you used Windows, that was the end of that. I'll tell you the most common option, which most people are aware of, for example, is a Mac. A Mac does not run on Windows. We know that pretty much. It runs OS 10. It's not targeted. So that is one option to use the internet. Now, of course, that's there's a $1,000 hurdle to get into that option. So what most people try to do is they put pop-up blockers and they put anti-spyware and anti-malware and 150 different things. Then, of course, you still got to surf the internet like in a minefield. No, I shouldn't click here. No, I'm not going to click on that. I can't open up this email. And frankly, if that's how you want to surf the internet, that's fine too. But there's another solution, and one that what I recommend is imagine surfing the internet as if you were on another planet where there is no viruses. Imagine opening up any email, even those crazy emails, just for the fun of it. That is possible, and that is possible with Linux. It's a very simple program. Now, most people have heard of Linux in the past, and they think it's all complicated and all these kind of things. Basically, here I've simplified it to the point where you open it up, you open up Google Chrome, which you're already familiar with, and guess what? Surf the internet. You don't need an antivirus. You don't need 27 pop-up blockers. You don't need to manage a minefield of links and clicks, and you don't need to worry about if this email is legit or not. Open up any email, surf any website, click on any link, and not worry about viruses again. That's what we got here. I call it a virus-proof computer, just because when you go into Linux, Ubuntu, and you go into all these explanations, people's eyes roll over. So if you want a virus-proof computer, if you want to surf the internet without ever thinking about a virus again, come see us at PC 901.